हमने जैसे बात किया ट्रेंड फॉलो करना या स्टाइलिश लगना या होता है एक अपना पर्सनल स्टाइल. तो हाउ वन कैन फाइंड आउट their own personal style, because मैं personally believe I don't believe in following trends या fashion जो भी आता है जाता है, very rarely if I like something. Otherwise I believe in creating your own style. Over the period of time I've learned how, what suits me or what I feel comfortable in.
True.
So ऐसे ही हर एक चीज, जैसे आईब्रोज हो गई, मेकअप हो गया, लिपस्टिक का शेड हो गया, या द वे यू ड्रेस अप. अगर किसी को अपना अभी पता नहीं है अपना स्टाइल क्या है, हाउ वन कैन
See,
find out?
when we do one-on-one consulting, obviously there's a lot of questionnaire where we understand, from which we understand what is their personal style. But in general, if anybody wants to find out, the simple way is what I suggest is they can just keep clicking their pictures whenever they're getting ready. And they have to note down how they felt when they wore that.
Okay.
So like journaling kind of thing. So that way they will, after like 7 days or 10 days, they will understand which is the clothing combination which made them feel the best.
Right.
So that can be one of their personal style. So that is one of the easiest way. Otherwise, personal style is affected by our upbringing, by our conditioning, by the city we live in, the country we live in. A lot of things affect our personal style.
Right.
So and it changes over time also. We evolve, we all evolve actually. So it changes with time.
Right.
Yes.
So when it comes to clothing again, and when we are dominantly talking about women's clothing, what are the don'ts? Like, just name them. Like, you should never do it or don't do it.
Something which doesn't fit them well. Do not wear anything which is not fitting you well. And what else can be? Something which is not making them comfortable, just to follow the trend. They should not be just because somebody else is wearing neon and they feel that it's trend. You don't need to wear that.
Right.
If you are not comfortable in that, then what else can be? I think these are the no. Otherwise, people say that if you are of this color, you should not be wearing that color. I never say that. I always say my clients that you can wear anything and everything, but we have to understand in what scale, what size. For example, somebody is, somebody doesn't look that great in a pale yellow color, right? But that's her favorite color.
Right.
Then I just tell them that, okay, just use a little bit, maybe in the pattern, maybe just as a scarf or just as the sleeves.
Right.
Anything. It's like simple things, but
Right.
छोटा scale में use करो, पूरा outfit मत पहनो वैसे. So they have to understand what is their liking, then they have to choose the thing.